Yes, you've narrowed down to a home where you have found more things that you love about it than not. That means you have had the look of love you presented at the showing, turning it into let's make an offer on the property. The excitement is joined by concerns about what an offer looks like and how to present it. Let's find out what makes a stronger offer and to offset any limitations you may have. But first, welcome to Table Talks. I'm Carla, a realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about real estate with tips and ideas surrounding the subject. So if you have any questions, message me on social media at Selling Dwelling CO or LinkedIn and my website at Carla Knight Homes. I will respond directly to you about your situation and possibly expand on the subject with a video. So it's time now to switch from looky-loos to serious buyers. Don't stress, having strong professionals by your side will make all the difference. Now is a great time to take out the emotions to make the offer a transaction. It will be one of the largest purchases you make. Your feelings are attached to it, but that's natural, but we don't want to lose our momentum and our footing in the negotiation process. Understanding that everything is a negotiation, with it being a conversation going back and forth a few times before we can agree on terms, makes the process easier. You can be competing with other buyers who had the look of love as well as you. Offers are about the money, but moving has so many factors in it. Terms can be a combination of money and convenience. So looking at the offer as a conversation means we look at the strengths you bring to the table. Being a strong advocate for your needs is my top priority. Knowing what those strengths are and how to present them is happening now. Let's say you have extra time after a closing, allowing the seller a rent back on the property to you, or you might have a larger earnest money deposit showing a stronger intention. Earnest money deposited with a title company or a third party is used as part of a down payment and closing costs in the final statements. You might feel comfortable with the limiting inspection repairs, or if you have a little bit of extra cash, a larger down payment, we might be able to pass an appraisal. An offer that does not have to wait for you to sell a home is a strong offer than one that does. And there can be work around that situation if we can put the numbers together. Putting our best foot forward in knowing how to present with a pre-approval letter and addressing contingencies can help us get to a mutually agreed upon contract with the seller. And that's who we're talking to. So if you have any questions or you're interested in buying and selling, reach out. I am happy to meet with you and go over what your needs are and how we can get them into a home. So have a great day, and I hope to hear from you soon.